Hey, good freaking morning, everybody. Hunter here. So, it's a little wet, rainy, but it's nice out right now. It's clear. It's a little muggy. Not too bad. Rained last night. It's supposed to rain later today, but that sun is shining, and we got the garage door open, which means one thing. That new car is coming out today. So, we are working a half a day at the shop today. Leaving there, we got an appointment set up for Ranky's Show Shine to get the windows tinted on the new car. So, super excited for that. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but honestly, we've had issues in other areas and just couldn't really justify getting that done until some of the other stuff is done. But now she's running tip-top shape. She's looking her best. She is going to get dirty and nasty today, but not a big deal. We'll have her cleaned up and ready to go for the next show. So huge shout out to Ranky and them guys over there for letting us come in today, and maybe hopefully we'll get the opportunity to record this process and let you guys in on this, and you guys can check it out. So I guess he's got an individual family member or so that comes up out of state once in a while, does window tint. I've seen some of his work on Ranky's trucks, his girlfriend's car, and the dude knows what he's doing. He does phenomenal work. So we're excited to have him jump on board and do it for the new car. So yeah. Thank you guys all for liking, commenting, subscribing to our channels, and showing all that love and support. Let's get this thing out of the garage, and we'll get you guys some cool footage today. So take care, guys. Enjoy the video.
Shots at the enemy, I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic groove up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the new song. You cannot save me.
Hey, what is up, everybody? Hunter here. So we got the new car. We got a little bit of sunshine left. We are out here right now at Ranky's Show Shine in Mount Pleasant, Michigan. He had a guy come in, window tint this thing. Oh my Lanza. He did a phenomenal job on this, man. Turned out really nice. And like I said earlier, huge shout out to Ranky and them guys for getting us on the list, getting this thing done. So turned out amazing. I'm satisfied. And I hope you guys enjoy this little video. So thank you guys all for liking, commenting, subscribing, following the channels. Be sure to head over to Ranky's Show Shine Detailing, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Show them some love. Let them know that the Duke Crew sent you. But thank you guys all again, and let's go freaking enjoy this.
Change back, calling out, I'll pay back, 'cause I'm great at that. You cannot save me. I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough giving. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck